everyone, welcome to my channel. One of my favorite things to make is a red cabbage salad. It's a very simple recipe and it goes with just about everything. I created this recipe a long time ago, but I think one of the secrets to this is each ingredient, how I add it one by one, and the way that I massage the cabbage, putting my intention into it and all of that, because I'm really out there like that. And yeah, I think that's why every time I make this for people, they always love it. Even people who don't love vegetables, even people who don't really love cabbage, when I make this and I'm like, here, try it, they eat it. It tastes good with everything. So let's make a red cabbage salad. Antioxidants, what's in here? Purple antioxidants, that would be anthocyanins, which are really good for memory. I think there was a lab rat study on that. And so try to eat your colors. They're good for you. And cabbage, I know, is really good for anti-cancer stuff. So this is really good. Let's make a red cabbage salad. It's absolutely delicious and you're gonna love it. Okay, for this recipe, you're gonna need your cabbage, apple cider vinegar, lemon. Shout out to my friend Joe for these lemons. Now, if you have friends that have lemon trees, get lemons from them, organic lemons from them. If they don't spray their soil or anything like that, your taste buds will be dancing. My friends give me free lemons all the time. If you want this salad to taste absolutely amazing, you're gonna need Celtic sea salt and organic olive oil. Now, all the ingredients I use are organic. And yes, it makes a big difference. If you don't want this salad to be boring, then go the extra mile. Now, I highly recommend this olive oil. It's from Ojai. Ojai is an hour and 20-minute drive from Los Angeles. And when I go there, these people, they literally press the olive oil right in front of you. And they bottle it. Well, they haven't been doing that because of COVID. 100% organic olive oil from Ojai. Now, I've strolled among those olive trees. I've meditated among those olive trees over there. It is amazing. And no, they're not paying me to tell you this. And Celtic sea salt. Now, people, get the Celtic sea salt. Yeah, this is $30 for the bag. I know. But it will make your food taste amazing. Okay, here's my cabbage after I've rinsed it. I've peeled a couple of the layers off of it. Now, I just start slicing the cabbage into little pieces. All right, chop it. Just, okay, so here's this. Put it all in here, okay? See, look at this beauty. The heart is gonna go in my compost bin so I can recycle like hers. So you see how purple this cabbage looks? So when I put the lemon on it, it's gonna be all oxygenated and it's gonna be like a lighter red. So this is what it looks like before I put the lemon juice on it. Try not to get seeds in there. Nobody wants to eat lemon seeds, you know? Take a spoon, and the fibrous part is just fine. More fiber never hurt anybody. The key is saturation. I gotta get this cabbage saturated with this lemon juice. And you're gonna see that when it all turns bright red. So keep mixing. Olive oil time. I should be giving you guys measurements, but this is Haitian cooking, okay? We don't measure. You just figure it out. Look at you see, I'm like sprinkling the olive oil until it looks like it's good. That's how my mom cooks, that's how my grandma cooks. We're just like, this ain't no German precision. This is Haitian cooking.
You know, I already have 2 older
Look at
brothers.
this, how pretty and red and beautiful and lively. No more purple, well, just a little bit of purple, but it's mostly red and bright. To be honest with you, as I'm cooking this, I know that my cells are getting ready to like receive this delicious cabbage juice, because that's what it's going to be after I'm done masticating. This is going to turn into cabbage juice in my blood,